stopping in a parking area can be testing, particularly for another driver. Once in a while, parking spots are little and the part is exceptionally swarmed, making this much more troublesome. There are 3 distinct kinds of parking spots in parking garages: calculated, opposite, and parallel. You ought to be capable at all of these before passing a driver's exam or getting out and about. This article delivers tips on the best way to stop in various kinds of parking spots. Step-by-step instructions to find a parking space. Ensure that the autos stopped on either side of the open parking spot are adjusted inside their own parks and not arranged excessively near the border of the open space. In the event that stopping in an open parking area during the evening, attempt to discover a parking spot that is in closeness to a light for included security. On the off chance that stopping in the parking garage of a retail location, attempt to find an open parking spot that is far from shopping basket gatherers or gatherings of unattended shopping baskets. This will help keep your vehicle from being harmed while stopped in a parking garage. Despite the fact that accommodation is vital, stopping halfway down a path of parking spots is regularly superior to anything stopping in a space near the start of a passageway. Your vehicle will be more averse to be completely encompassed by different vehicles and there will be less movement when you enter and leave the space. Step-by-step instructions to park between 2 cars. Gradually position your vehicle with the goal that it is in the focal point of the stopping passageway. In the event that the passageway is made for just a single course of movement, position your vehicle to the extent you can to the contrary side of the path to permit more space for turning. Stop your vehicle when its front guard is around halfway past the parking spot before the one you intend to stop in. Turn your wheel towards the parking spot and gradually start to drive your auto into the space. Check the left and right sides of your vehicle to guarantee that there is a sensible measure of free space on either side.